Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we've listed the top 6 GoPro gimbals in 2021. Stay tuned to the end of the video and find out what you've been missing so far. And by the way, links are in the description below if you're in a hurry. Let's get started. Hohem I Steady Pro 3. iSteady Pro 3 is specifically designed for action cameras and is well matched with most action cameras in the market. You don't need to worry about water splashes from any direction. It enables users to use it in various outdoor adventures, even on rainy days. This impressive piece of tech perfectly solves the weak battery life of action cameras with a built-in 3600 mAh battery. It has up to 12 hours of battery life and can work as a power bank to charge the user's action camera while recording. It has 600-degree rotational Inception mode to support users to create more than 360 degrees rotation. It has motion time-lapse to set the track with a custom rotating angle, record heavy traffic on the street, and other frequently moving subjects. Also, this camera has got sport mode to capture fast-moving subjects, such as playing basketball or skateboarding. Feiyu G6. I find the FY FEIYUTECH Feiyu G6 3-axis Splash-Proof Handheld Gimbal a well-built gimbal focused on interfacing with the GoPro line of action cameras. I got a hand grip that doubles as a battery holder and has integrated gimbal and camera controls. The removable battery lasts up to 12 hours. The G6 still offers top features such as an OLED display and continually rotating Inception mode, accessible via single button press. It can be set up to rotate at virtually any angle. Selected cameras can be synced up with the gimbal via the companion Feiyu On app over built-in Wi-Fi to allow various capture, zoom, and focus functions from the app. FEIYUTECH WFG2X. The FEIYUTECH has produced many gimbals for the GoPro, but the wearable WG2 gimbal is undoubtedly their most popular. It has an angled arm that makes it possible to use your GoPro's touchscreen unobstructed and leaves the GoPro better placed when mounted on your chest. It is also lighter, features improved stabilization, and adds a shutter and mode button. The Feiyu WFG2X supports the GoPro Hero 7, Hero 6, Hero 5, Hero 4, and the Hero Session via the included session mount adapter. It also supports most similar-sized action cameras, including the Yi 4K, 4K+, Sony RXO, and SJ-Cam. Its universal quarter-inch thread mounting hole is easily worn with chest harness, shoulder straps, and helmet mounts. It can also be attached to desktop tripods, selfie sticks, and handlebars. The Feiyu WFG2X features 3 shooting modes, which can be changed by either pressing the mode button or remotely using the Feiyu On app. Hohem. The Hohem I Steady Pro 3 Splash-Proof 3-axis handheld action camera gimbal is a stabilizer designed to capture smooth handheld footage with action cameras weighing no more than 5.29 ounces and no bigger than 1.89 by 1.26. The gimbal features 320 degrees of tilt and roll adjustment and 600 degrees of pan adjustment. This allows you to keep a stable image as you move with your camera and allows you to create cinematic camera moves. Auto Inception mode lets you spin the image through 600 degrees of horizontal rotation. A mode selection button allows you to change modes manually on the gimbal. The gimbal supports Wi-Fi and interfaces with select GoPro cameras to control them over Wi-Fi. The downloadable app enables you to adjust settings to customize the gimbal's performance. A quarter-inch 20-threaded mounting hole on the side allows you to mount accessories to the handle and allows you to mount the gimbal on a variety of supports, as well as the included mini tripod. The gimbal can operate for up to 12 hours, 6 hours when Wi-Fi is turned on. You can also charge your action camera from the gimbal's integrated power output port. GoPro Karma Grip. The GoPro Karma Grip is one of the best gimbals in the market. It captures stabilized footage so smooth your routine shots will look extraordinary. You can enjoy professional cinema quality videos whether you're hiking, biking, or chasing your kids through the park. Karma Grip captures the unique handheld and body-worn perspectives only a GoPro can, now with pro-quality stabilization. It has a simple built-in camera. It lets you control power on and off, change modes, start and stop recording, and add highlight tags on the fly. Karma Grips have a built-in battery that powers both the grip and your GoPro for up to an hour and 45 minutes on a full charge. The Karma Grip has an extension cable that provides 35 inches of extension, allowing you to wear the grip and stabilizer separately for more comfortable body mounting on the go.